Hello, online statistics. So I received a question today about quiz 3, and it does not have Statcrunch in there. So I'm going to show you the workaround. I was able to add Statcrunch for quizzes 4 through 7. However, the final exam does not give me the option to allow Statcrunch as well as quiz 3 did not. I'm going to show you the workaround. So when you're in Canvas, My Lab and Mastering, you are going to have an option, student links here, My Stat Lab Course Home. So if you go to My Stat Lab Course Home, it's going to take a second to open up. On the left-hand side here, you're going to see Statcrunch. So click on Statcrunch. After that opens up, you want to click on Statcrunch website. The next thing you can open up is Open Statcrunch. This is going to open a new window that's going to have Statcrunch that you're used to. I'm going to go back to my Lab and Mastering, My Lab and Mastering. So it's going to be on the Statcrunch tab right now. If you go to Quizzes, it's going to allow you to choose that quiz 3. I'm going to finish the test because I had it open over here. I'm going to go to my question 3 just because I know that that's the one I need. And so what's going to happen is I'm going to have this copy to a clipboard. I'm going to have select delimiter tab. I need to hit Control and C at the same time in order to copy that data. I then need to go back into that Statcrunch, and when I'm on row 1, variable 1, I need to hit Control V, and that's going to paste it. So Control and C, so the CTRL button and the C button at the same time allows you to copy the data when you're in this tab delimiting. And then when you get to Statcrunch, you have to hit that CTRL and the V at the same time in order to paste the data. You then have all your options within Statcrunch to do what you need to do, and you still have that quiz tab open. A note that it's gonna open a second window. So if you can't find that take a test, hold your cursor over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my cursor over this button, and you see how there's 2 windows. The take a test is its own window. So you're going to have to make sure you're going to hold that cursor over it without clicking, and then you can click when you want to get to that. You can hit done, and then you can start answering your questions there. The workaround basically just happens. It's a way to do it. If you have any questions with it, let me know. Hopefully it works for you guys. Have a great day and good luck on quiz 3.